Today on Easy Simple Gardening, we're going to show you how to make liquid calcium out of eggshells. In this video, we're going to explain to you the benefits of using liquid calcium, then we're going to show you a recipe for making it yourself, and finally, how to apply it to your garden. In a previous video, we showed you how to use eggshells as a slow-release calcium source. Here we're using a liquid calcium, which gives a more immediate boost to your plants. Calcium is essential for strengthening the plant, prevents it from overgrowing, and gives it nutrients it needs. Eggshells carry lots of calcium carbonate, but it's trapped inside the shell and needs to be extracted. We're going to use vinegar to do this. Here's what you'll need: eggshells, rice vinegar, a jar, a paper towel, and a rubber band. Make sure to clean your eggshells with water first. Do your best to remove the membrane that sticks to the inside of the shell. This is going to ensure that the eggs only contain the calcium that we need to extract. You need about a dozen eggshells per 12 ounces of vinegar. Put the clean shells on a baking sheet and bake them in the oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes to sanitize them. Try to avoid browning them. Crush the shells into small pieces, but don't turn them into powder. Put the eggshells into a jar and fill it up with your rice vinegar. Leave a couple inches at the top because this produces carbon dioxide and will start to bubble. Put a paper towel on top and secure it with a rubber band. Keep in mind that this smells like vinegar and eggs, so put it in a cupboard or keep it somewhere out of the way. Once the bubbling stops after 1 or 2 days, that's how you know your solution is ready to use. At that time, some or most of the eggshells will be dissolved. If your eggshells don't dissolve, that means there's too many. Add 1 teaspoon of this solution to a gallon of purified water. A little really goes a long way. Don't store this for more than a week or 2 because it can go bad. And as with any DIY solution, be sure to test it on a single plant first. If everything looks good after 2 days, then you're in the clear and you're ready to apply it to the rest of your garden. There's more information on when and how to use this in the description below. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And hit the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified when we post new videos.